Hi, I'm Karen.
I'm Christopher.
And we're your CK Customs PA. We're also the admins on Facebook for Cricket Help Desk Unofficial. We have with us today a box that we just received in the mail from heattransfersource.com. We placed our very first order with them, which is this box here. They were running their anniversary sale, and we just saw some stuff that we couldn't pass up. I'll be honest, I don't remember everything that we put in our order. I know we have a mega bundle of HTV. I think some other HTV rolls. I don't recall what kind. And what I'm kind of most excited about is a t-shirt ruler. I use some straight rulers that I have. I have some centering rulers where the zero is in the middle. But I do not have a t-shirt ruler. So there should be a t-shirt ruler in here that I'm kind of excited about.
And I believe there's a cooling block in there too.
That's right. See, I forgot. We also ordered a cooling block, which we have not had before. I use the trick where you take another piece of the fabric and rub it on as you're trying to cool your garment. If it's like a cool or a cold peel, you can take the sleeve or the bottom of the shirt and rub it to pull some of that heat out. But we have a cooling block now. Hopefully. See how that turns out. All right. Anything else?
I don't think so. Let's
dig in.
Let's open it up and find out what's inside.
Oh my.
Oh, a little too much weight.
Yeah. All right. Let's go.
Let's go.
So, as we go through this box, fingers crossed, things are labeled, and we'll show you exactly what we got.
We got some paper.
We got some paper. We got a lot more than I recall us getting. So the first thing coming out, it looks to be the Mega, what do they call it, the Mega Pack?
I think that's the Mega Pack.
Mega Pack. So, what size are these?
I think for the most part, those were supposed to be 10 by 12. And then the pattern was 9 by 12.
Yep. Those things are checking out. What he said. Alright, so you want to see what patterns we got? Or what colors or finishes or, oh my gosh.
Let's see what's in it.
It's a whole variety going on here, it looks like.
It's this is our first time ordering from them, and I want to see what they have, and they had some really neat stuff on their anniversary sale.
Alrighty. I'm just start from the bottom, because that's the way I have it. Alright. So, looks like we got some green glitter of some form. Looks like we have a rainbow kind of ombre holographic. Some light pink. Now my understanding was, as they sold these packs, they were all going to be identical. So if we got 1 or 2 or 3, each pack is identical. So it wasn't a mystery pack, so to say. They were designed by them as these multi-packs that were all the same.
Yeah.
So this is a textured, this is, I forget what they call this. But this has a rough texture to it, and it's metallic-y.
I forgot what that type is called.
Yeah, we've had some samples of it before. I just don't remember what it's called. And this is also kind of translucent. So it has an orange feel, but it has also almost a translucent kind of pearl or iridescent to it.
Interesting.
It's always interesting in the crafting world, right?
Always.
There we go. That's the front of that. Kind of a lime green. Here's another piece of that kind of iridescent. This one's doesn't really have an orange hue. The back looks white, so it might just kind of be like a pearl. And then there's a piece of purple metallic-y, kind of electric going on here.
That does look like a metallic.
And then this is like a light gold. No, it's more to the gold side. It's kind of like that middle ground between silver and gold. I feel like it's more to the gold side, but I can see it either way.
Yeah, it's kind of
that middle ground. Yeah. I always get confused by that. Here's a red kind of electric metallic type. And then this one is the same as that blue one where it's got this this texture to it. I wish I could remember the name of it. But this one's a silver one, so it's got like a rough, dimpled feel almost. A very fine one though. A piece of kind of beige. This is kind of like a raspberry wine colored metallic. Or cranberry maybe. Here's more of that same texture. It's gonna kill me until I can look it up later. But in green.
Ooh.
Here's a piece of kind of like a dark navy midnight blue kind of holographic. Hopefully you're able to catch some of that in the light.
That's pretty.
Again with this texture, they're teasing me here since I can't think of it. But in gold. I have a whole book of stuff, and I'm sure it's in there. He's gonna try to look it up.
Yeah.
Piece of gold metallic. You guys peeking in there? I'm trying to peek a little bit.
I've already peeked a little bit. There's some nice stuff in there.
You guys can see it.
I think they can see in it.
There's
some nice things in there.
This is like aqua. I would call this aqua. Metallic-y also. And then this one, I can tell from the back that it's a holographic. Oh, there's two holographics in a row. So here's a silver holographic. I like that. And then I'm going to go with pink holographic. It's kind of pinkish purple. I'm going to go pink.
It looks like they're calling that embossed.
Ah, that's the embossed textured
Yes.
HTV. Okay, so this is more of that iridescent pearl. This one has a purple backing. So you'll see, that purple tone come through most. And then we have a piece of a rainbow holographic.
Nice.
This is kind of orange copper metallic. And then a brown metallic. Is it brown metallic? Looks like a brown metallic.
Yeah, that's interesting.
We don't have any of that.
No.
Here's a piece of red, I think, flock. I think this is well, hello, Miss Eleanor. You're not supposed to be on the table. Get down. Get down. Goodbye. So I think this one is flock. Check it out a little bit. I think that's flock. And then the last piece from this is a printed, patterned flock.
It is flock.
A printed, patterned vinyl HTV. That's a pretty cool pattern right there. I like it. So that is the bundle, the mega bundle, 26, 27 piece, something like that, was what it was advertised as.
I don't remember how many pieces exactly.
It was advertised, I think, in the mid to high 20s, if I recall. Maybe 28, I don't know. Somewhere between 26 and 28, I would probably put my money on. So, there's that. Looks like you got our cooling block.
This thing is heavy.
Oh boy. I love having my press supplies right by my press. I have a drawer under my press. It works perfect. A package and a pack. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Was not expecting that. Even though he said it was heavy, I was not expecting it to be that heavy. So, ooh. So it's, it's a cooling block. So when you have something that's cool or cold peel, you can take this and rub it on the design after you've pressed it. Draws the heat out, so you can peel your carrier sheets.
Yep. That
is pretty cool. I like it. Heavy.
So I believe these are just 5-yard rolls.
We got labels on it all? No labels. I'll have to go back to our order history and see what we got.
But I believe they're that's a metallic.
Isn't this supposed to be like a soft metallic?
I think so.
I think they're just soft metallics. We got some purple and green, red, blue, silver. Oh man, you're really feeling this stuff. Aqua. This is kind of one of those iridescent ones, like from our pack.
Yeah, but that wasn't part of that metallic. That was something else. And then
Some rainbow.
I need a ruler.
Did we order a ruler? Is this a bonus?
I think that's in I seen that show up with everybody's order on the group. So I think that comes with every order. And kind of throw that in the box.
So we got a ruler.
And then the item you've been waiting for.
Yep. So, check it out here. Wipe it down a little bit. Got some dust on it. So this is a t-shirt ruler. So you line the collar up with the collar of the shirt. It helps you to find that center. I'm going to measure this because I think this is likely 3 inches down, if I'm going to guess. So the center is 2.5 inches down from this piece. So if you'd like to have a specific distance from your collar to your design, you can know that that's 2.5 and add or subtract as you please. And then these lines here are for the chest logo spots. Mm-hmm. They also have in here a guide they've printed for all the different sizes. So you have your infant sizing, your youth sizing, and your adult sizing of your garments, your top piece garments, your shirts, your onesies. And then according to those, what size should your design width be? And then there is a recommendation for placement as to how far away from the collar. So it says like for adult, it should be 3 to 3.5 inches below the neckline. That's for a standard crew neck. So I'm pretty excited to try this out with my heat press. I'm sure the very next time I need to press some shirts, I'll be pulling this guy out and see how that works out for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is what we got from heattransfersource.com. They're also on Facebook, constantly doing giveaways and promotions. So check them out on their Facebook group. It's like multiple times a day they put up what they got going on, and then they'll typically like give one away to somebody. So you comment, they'll tell you what to comment with, and it's just kind of fun to keep up with them and see what's going on. If you liked this video and liked seeing what we got from Heat Transfer Source, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll catch you next time. Happy crafting!